Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. So we have a recipe here that my wife found online and wanted me to recreate. It's a chicken drumstick meal with some potatoes as well. We have 5 drumsticks, so we're cutting this potato into 5 equal parts. We cut off the ends of the potatoes to make them sit flat. And now we're going to put about a tablespoon of oil into a bowl with the potatoes. And we're going to add some salt on there. We'll give them a little mix. And then we're going to just place them on the pan. I used aluminum foil. You can use aluminum foil or you can just put them straight on your pan. After that, we are going to add a little more oil. We want about 2 tablespoons total now of oil. And then about 3 cloves of garlic. I'm just using the canned stuff, so just put a spoonful in about. And now what's nice is all these ingredients, garlic, paprika, and then basil, salt, and pepper. It's all equal parts, 1 teaspoon each. So very simple, 1 teaspoon. I just kind of estimated, but it's 1 teaspoon each. And then about a half of a lime. Now we're going to use some toothpicks, 3 per potato, and these are going to hold the chicken drumsticks above them. Just go ahead and stick those in each potato. Make sure your seasoning is mixed up, and now we're just going to go ahead and coat all of our drumsticks in the seasoning and stick them on top of the potatoes. For the last one here, I was just about out of seasoning, but I had plenty, so I put it in there and just poured it on top. So that amount will give you enough for about 5 drumsticks. Now we're going to set our oven to 400. You could preheat it earlier. I just started it now. And we're going to now set our timer once it's preheated to 40 minutes. And we just put them in there and leave them. After 40 minutes, we'll come back and take them out. Careful putting these in and out. You don't want them to tip over. I hit my little burner control there, and luckily it didn't make me drop them. And then here's our final product. Looking pretty nice. Let's go ahead and taste them. So I'll go first. And I just pull them out, pull out the stuff, the toothpicks. Now the potato is nice because the juices and seasoning kind of fall over it as the chicken is cooking. Try that first. I did find the bottom of my potato was a little crispy, and some people like that. Actually, that's, it's not burned, as you saw the bottom. It's just kind of browned. So it's kind of a nice little crunch on the bottom, but the inside is still, soft. And they are pretty good. Now these chicken came out amazing cooked this way. I even tested with my meat thermometer, and I was up at like 180 or so degrees. But look at that. They are so juicy and tender. Carolyn's going to go ahead and give them a try. As you saw there, the bottom's like a nice golden brown. It's got a little tiny crunch. It's nice. So overall, guys, I'd say this was pretty successful. Very tasty, very easy to do. I like that all the ingredients use the same amount. just 1 teaspoon of each. Throw it in with some oil and lime juice there. And you know, the toothpicks and sticking them up is pretty easy too. Comes out great, juicy, and flavorful. Have any questions? Let me know.